Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Sunday night. I just got back from my little power walk, did my 4 miles out between roadways and sidewalks. Don't try it, I'll tell you. It's crazy out there in the snow. It's going to be really careful. You know, people say, don't go outside, do your treadmill. But you know, the compulsive Mark Rosenthal had to go out and do his power walk. And you know something, a long time ago, my pal Bob Copeland, when I was growing up with him, boy, back in 1972, and he's teaching me a lot about the weather, he says, on your forecast, never zigzag. And I had a snowfall map out earlier. I'm not comfortable with it. And so I have to, well, you know what? I have a song about what I have to do. You ready for this? This is tonight's weather song about updating the snowfall. Oh yeah, changes invade the strain. So we got to change the forecast a little bit for Boston. Let's get into it. We have a winter weather advisory in purple until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Winter storm warning for portions of southeastern Mass, excluding Cape Cod and the islands. I want to show you as of early this evening, Chatham radar, the precipitation is beginning to blossom. You see you see not blossom, but blossom. You see the green expanding up into the greater Boston area, light to moderate precipitation. That holds true off to the west as well. As we go to the Albany radar, you'll be able to see pockets of green showing up, coming into the Berkshires. And speaking of the Berkshires, I have to say hi to my good friend Cheryl Tripp from WBRK 1340 AM and Star 101.7 in Pittsfield. I do the weather for them. They're great people. In the Berkshires, you folks will get 3 to 6 inches of snow as well. There's so much snow out there. So, Cheryl, I hope you're happy. But I want to show you where they're really getting clobbered here. New York City and Long Island really getting hammered. Look at the green here. Look at all the heavy precipitation from southern Connecticut, southern Rhode Island. It's moving east towards Cape Cod and the islands. That's why the Cape could pick up over 6 inches of snow before the storm gets out of here in the wee hours of tomorrow morning. The roads are getting slick. So I've changed my map. Yes, I shouldn't change. I shouldn't zigzag. But, you know, something, forget it, Mark. Boston's going to get at least 3 inches. So I have a wide 3 to 6 from Boston to Worcester to the Berkshires. Yes, you're a little crazy. Yes, I've noticed the improvement. Okay, then we've got 3 to 6 in southeastern Mass, but 3 to 6 plus in southeastern Mass, Providence, Cape Cod, southern Connecticut. There could be more than that. We'll be following this for you. So we're just going to jump to the 5-day forecast, which I've also updated just to keep the clouds in here on Wednesday. But for tomorrow, it's just partly cloudy, partly sunny. We start in the 30s, fall to the 20s during the afternoon with a gusty wind. And on Tuesday, a sunny start, clouding up near freezing. Snow breaks out Tuesday night, could pile up 7 inches. Then it changes to sleet and freezing rain. Then soaking rain for Boston. That could be a problem with a lot of rain putting a lot of weight in the snowpack. We're following that. Temperatures rising towards 40 by Wednesday. And Wednesday itself, it should be cloudy. Temperatures will be in the mid-40s and falling off during the afternoon. And then we're looking for more snow to break out late Wednesday night and Thursday. There could be 7 inches with that. Temperatures in the 20s with a cold north wind, and then more cold and dry weather coming in here on Friday. So March is here. We are not out of this weather pattern yet. It's going to be a very interesting month. A lot of players on the field. If you want sunny, warm, dry weather for the month of March, go to the Dominican. I think that's what I'm going to do in April. All right, that's it. Enjoy the weather. Cheryl Tripp, you're the boss. I'll see you later on. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal.